Welcome back to the workshop, folks. I just noticed that my video on the Lansky sharpening stones has been doing well for some reason, so I thought I'd throw out another quick tip on the Lansky sharpener. The stones that come with the Lansky sharpener do alright, but they do need dress from time to time, and they are a stone, so they don't cut super fast. However, I have found that these DMT diafold sharpeners, which use a diamond substrate, work real well. DMT also sells these rods with a magnet, and they happen to be compatible with the Lansky sharpener. I think this fine, extra fine combination is fine for most day-to-day sharpening tasks. Now, Lansky does have diamond stone offerings as well. However, a single one of these diafold sharpeners is cheaper. They have holes for helping to clear the filings. And in particular, I find this handle much more comfortable and safe than the Lansky. They also offer a broader cutting area. So why not just get the whole DMT sharpening system? Well, their clamp, while it is a fairly sturdy plastic, looks like it's glass reinforced, it's not nearly as sturdy as the Lansky. And it requires you to hold the knife by the handle. There's no support structure. Now you've got the convenience of an inexpensive sharpener and the speed of diamonds. Hope you found this little kit bashing tip useful. Thanks for watching.